As temperatures rise across the state, AAA is reminding Idahoans to get ready for wildfire season. Now, here are some tips to help your family stay safe. Create a go bag for each family member with clothing, food, medications, light and power sources, and personal documents. Store important documents in a fireproof, waterproof box. Now, as a backup, photograph or scan critical documents and mementos and store them in the cloud. Plan an emergency escape route from your neighborhood to a point of safety. Now, if possible, identify multiple routes out of the area and completely document your belongings for insurance purposes. Idahoans can consult the Idaho Fire Map and the Idaho Air Quality Map for additional information in the event of a wildfire. We have a link to those maps on our website, localnews8.com.